Welcome back to another video with Cherokee Challenge. This week we will be learning the phrase Alihen listi ije adeti yiska. We will also be introducing 5 new syllabaries: je, de, ti, yi, and ga. Welcome to Cherokee Challenge. This is the syllable for je. As in a jet wing. Je. This is the syllabary for de. Think of a staircase leading to a deck. De. This is the syllabary for tea. Now think of a tea kettle. Tea. This is the syllabary for yi. Now think of a yield sign. Yi. This is the syllabary for gun. As in extra gum. G. This is the syllable for ah. Now think of a person saying ah. Ah. This is the syllable for li. The girl has short sleeves. Li. This is the syllable for he. We need to bail hay. He. This is the syllable for s. I see you. S. This is the syllable for D. The diva is dancing and singing. D. This is the syllable for yo. As in Yola is playing with a yo-yo. Yo. This is the syllable for he. As in an old man with bad heels. He. Now this is the syllable for huh. As in a pug that wants a hug. Huh. This is a syllable for knee. Now think of a man with a hurt knee. Knee. This is the syllable for da. As in a dog bone. Da. Now that we reviewed the syllabaries, pause the video and try reading this on your own. Alihe listi ije adeti yiska. Happy New Year! If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more episodes, please subscribe to our channel. And Alihe listi ije adeti yiska.